विधवा आडच्या वाईट चालीरितीचेर बंदी घालप तशेंच विधवा आड जावपी अन्यायाचेर पूर्ण विराम दिवंक जाय अशें युरी आलेमावान विधवांच्या प्रस्नांक हात घातलो। विधवा आडच्या वाईट चालीरितींचेर बंदी घालपाक कायदो अजून तरी ना, मात हे विशीं राज्यांत तशेंच पुराय देशांत जागृताय जावपाची गरज आसा अशें मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा। फुडल्या अधिवेशनात ह्या विशयाचेर चर्चा करून योग्य निर्णय घेवपाचें आश्वासन मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी दिलां।
Concerns in the mind of the people to the prevalence of unjust customs of widow discrimination, widow abuse and widow isolation in the state. Though there are no registered complaints, the isolation, discrimination and abuse is taken for granted as part of custom, tradition and religious or social practices. A few village panchayats in Goa have taken resolution against such outdated and inhuman customs, stating that the widow should be treated on par with married women. Steps be taken in coordination with the Department of Panchayats and Goa State Women's Commission to convene the Gram Sabhas of village panchayats to express solidarity with widow and boost the confidence of all women against such obsolete and archaic practices and mindset prevailing in the community. Government should contemplate on bringing a law to stop such unjust practices. Speaker sir, while speaking on this, जे म्हाका दिसता ये 8 पंचायत्यो इमे ये ग्राम सभान स्पीकर सर हेजेर एक रेजोल्यूशन घेतला जे म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर in some parts of Goa women still have to perform widowhood rituals after the death of their husbands. These rituals are very humiliating for women. Forcing a woman already grieved by the death of her husband to perform such rituals would hurt her self-esteem. These are forms of underestimating women, and that is why they must stop. The death of the husband does not diminish or end the existence of the wife in the slightest. Basically, a woman exists as a human being and has an identity. Speaker sir, Goa should be the first state. Jenna आज आमगेले President of India जाता, she also Speaker sir is a widow, and Speaker sir आमी एक बरी message धाडली आखे देशांत. We have to support all these NGOs and congratulate all these government जे पंचायत resolution घेतला. आणि Speaker sir, I am fully confident that this is a serious issue and this is also dear to the heart of the Chief Minister, and he will give us a positive assurance on this.
Yes, noted.
फुडले फावटी ताजेर एकदा डिटेलान उलोवन आमी तेजे डिसिजनाचेर कितें ते येवया. बट एट प्रेजेंट देर इज नो एनी लॉ, खंयचोच कायदो एखादो सुद्दां गोंयांत ना किंवा घटनेनूय ना हाज्या आधारीत. ओके, सो दॅट इट इज एन फक्त स्पिरिच्युअल प्रॅक्टिसीस, सॉरी रिच्युअल प्रॅक्टिसीस.
Next session I will move a private member
सेम
resolution.
थिंग म्हणजे रिच्युअल प्रॅक्टिसीस वेगवेगळ्या जातीत आनी धर्मात त्यो प्रॅक्टीस करता. बट ताच्या खातीर आमी आतां एड्युकेटेड जाल्या उपरांत सगळ्यांक अवेअर करपाक जाय, हें जावपाक जाय. आमकां सगळ्यांक तितको रिस्पेक्ट दिवपाक जाय ह्या मताचो हांवूय आसा.